Good morning, friends. Today, Monday, 2nd June 2025, we are out with another report on stock of the week, right? So, let's get started. A quick disclaimer before we start. We are Sebi registered research analyst. This is educational video, not a recommendation to directly buy a stock. You can do your own analysis taking the help of this particular research. You should consult your advisor before buying. Proper allocation to stock in well balanced portfolio is must. Investing in share market is very risky. We may have significant investment in the stock discussed today. So no sales and marketing, pure knowledge there. We are a small investment and research firm. We want to make investing in stocks simple, safe, and affordable for all, irrespective of your age, education, and pocket size. So current market overview. We have gone through a very speedy run from 20,800 to almost 20,000, 25,000 in one and a half month. So some reconciliation, retracement is expected. There are some risks like geopolitical risk, tariff, and other uncertainties. So I'm expecting some reconciliation, retracement, but overall, technically also market is in a higher low formation. So we are making in a bullish trend, and lot of fundamentally good news are in the offerings right now. Like GDP has shown a good numbers. Good. If you look at the quarterly results of almost all companies, almost all of the companies has shown a good improvement in their earnings. RBI has given a good dividend, which shows the strength in the financial balance sheets, and even the RBI is expected to reduce the rates in this week and a half. So that will be another good positives for Indian economy. So I'm not worried about the fundamental strength, but some short-term reconciliation is expected, which means it is a very good buy on dips for fundamentally strong stocks, right? So identify your good stocks, identifying good levels. Take help if you want, but this will be a good time to accumulate good stocks for long term. Today we are talking about Action Construction Equipment Limited's company. This is a recoverage. We have covered this company before also, but after recent correction, this has become even more lucrative. The company is world largest pick and carry cranes manufacturer with almost 65% market share in mobile crane segment in India. They are also exporters and 60% of market share in tower cranes. Both of these equipments are heavily used and will be even more heavily used when India embarks on its journey for Amritkal Bharat. Right, so I have a detailed video on Amritkal Bharat initiative and how will it impact Indian economy as well as stock market. So you guys are encouraged to watch that video. But the company is exploring initiatives in defense sector. We all know that defense sector is in focus, and government of India is planning to privatize more and more the private sector participation in defense, and this ACE is also going to get a big share in that, and we can see a good balance sheet expansion happening because of that. Company is continuously expanding its market share, and going in next 4 to 5 years we will see again big market share being achieved by this. Amrit Kal Bharat scheme will have a high impact because the ACE is not directly infrastructure company, but it is a raw material producer or the support system for infrastructure. They produce equipment for infrastructure. So their equipment doesn't need to be used only in infra. It can be used in agriculture and other sectors also. So there is a pretty you call a blend of industries using ACE equipments. They are strategically positioned because of government of India initiatives as well as the market leadership position of ACE. And remember, this is not a small scale industry where you can have multiple players trying to compete, right? Infrastructure equipment, the equipment itself cost a fortune, and the manufacturing utilities of these equipments, it cannot be set up by anyone just start tomorrow morning with this type of company. So moat or entry barrier is also pretty high. If you look at the past growth trajectory, the return on net worth has improved from almost 11% to 27%, which reflects the quality of management, the skill of managing the company, and that is basically a factor why I always get fascinated towards Ace Construction Limited, right? So Action Construction Limited, it's a very good company from my point of view. The return on capital has increased, which again highlights the strength of management to use the liquidity in the company to generate more and more profit. And my core criteria in selecting the company is always the debt levels. So debt levels has, initially they were very low, but now they has reached to a nearly zero level. And for infrastructure supporting company operating at a zero debt level, it's a very strong indicator, right? So you guys can review this, pause the video and try to review this screen, but it will show that the past good financial growth trajectory has been excellent. In future also, based on whatever the commentary and the supporting economic factors we are highlighting, we see a good revenue projections can triple or quadruple in next 3 to 5 years. Profitability is also seems to be improving and keep improving. I don't want to give any price target as such because regulatorily it's not allowed. But looking at the past performance and future expectations, we can expect the stock prices also to perform in line with the performance of the company. Correct? So from technical point of view, if we look at it, it has been given a continuous 4 to 5 waves of bull run. Now it has gone into consolidation. And if you review the charts, I'm not allowed to post the chart, so I'm not showing the chart here. But if you look at the chart, you can see a volatility contraction pattern or a cup and handle pattern formed, and a sideways pattern is there, and it can be broken at any time, right? So it is a good is running in a wide but long-term range, and based on the fundamentals and projection, I'm expecting it to break that range. So for long-term investor, it's a accumulation between 1200 to 1280 levels, target of 3 to 4 times in 4 to 5 years. Swing traders can put a stop loss of 908, but I highly recommend this stock to be your portfolio stock, not a trading stock. All right. So we do help people as our paid services. Since we are Sebi registered research analyst firm, we give roll out one stock of the week, like you are seeing this one right now, but not in the video format. This is an educational video, but we have a detailed report on each stock, right? 4 to 5 pages of historical performance, past performance, future projections, and risk, and all those things. Then we have Home Platinum portfolio, which is a conservative consumption based portfolio for passive investors who want to generate good return based on the consumption explosion that is going to happen in India. Then we have a OM momentum portfolio, which is like a 15 stocks portfolio of high growth, high speed growth stocks out of our fundamentally strong universe of 100, 120 stocks. Correct. So this is generally for active investor who want to rebalance their portfolio every month or every quarter. So you can take benefit of this momentum portfolio. And then we have one Wheel of Fortune portfolio for HNI investors. Generally, it is for the people who want to invest lump sum in the market with less risk. So this is a hedge portfolio. Okay, there is no guarantee of anything into the stock market, but we hedge this portfolio using derivatives to manage the risk. And then we have portfolio analysis services where we can use our research capabilities to ensure your portfolio is well balanced. So you can contact us if you need any help. This is what we do for you, and these are our contact details. So if you guys want a detailed report of ACE in a PDF format, that is our release, officially release coverage on ACE, I would be happy to share with you. You WhatsApp me on this number, right? So hope you like this. We are not YouTubers, so I will not push you to like it, but if you do like our videos, then it will help us to motivate. All right. So thank you.